Hey folks, we're back for another exciting episode of investigating a social circle. Okay, do you hear that racket? I don't know if you're gonna hear it or not, but we'll zoom in on it. Like they're way over there, right? Hear them? It sounds like a racket, right? Those birds aren't just talking about nothing. They can see me, they're talking about me, guaranteed. Listen. But you know, it could be the whole bunch of people on a subway out yakking at each other. We can try to get closer, see if we can actually make out words in between their own intricate sounds talking about the human.